In this video, I'll show you how to use Persistence 2 mod to save vehicles anywhere in GTA 5. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on this script hook5.net and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing these mods, backup your GTA 5 folder. Once you're done, back to the mods, drag and drop all these files inside a game folder and then go back. Open the script hook 5 bin, drag and drop all the files except the native trainer, drag and drop inside of a game folder, place the file in the destination, and then go back. Open scripts in a game folder. If it doesn't have scripts folder created, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to create the scripts folder. Open scripts and open this persistence mod to a scripts folder. Drag and drop all these files inside a scripts folder and all done. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, park the car anywhere you like, and once you are near to the car, it will ask you press E to lock this car. Press the E key, and now the car is locked. I'm gonna close this game and get back. Once you are in game, you can able to see the same car is in the same place. Now you can press the E key to unlock this car and drive wherever you want. Using this mod, you can save your car anywhere and you can drive the car next day or anywhere, anytime you like. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.